In a powerful display of unity and grief, the Indian Overseas Congress USA led a protest at Times Square condemning the recent terror attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir that claimed 26 lives. Members of the Indian American diaspora gathered at the iconic Red Steps, waving the Indian tricolor and holding banners demanding accountability and global recognition of the tragedy. The protest included calls to take action against the terror and their supporters. They urged major global outlets to spotlight the victims. The event underscored IOC USA's commitment to standing in solidarity with the victims and their families during this painful time.
कश्मीर में जो भी ये दुर्घटना हुई है, इतनी किलिंग हुई है, बड़े दुख की बात है। हमें इसका बहुत अफसोस है, दुख जाहिर करते हैं और ये वक्त है कि हम सब हिंदुस्तानियों को इकट्ठा होकर इस दुख की घड़ी में एक दूसरे का साथ देना चाहिए और हिंदुस्तान को एकजुट होकर खड़ा हो जाना चाहिए। भारत माता की जय, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद।
Good afternoon, everybody. As I'm Dr. Joshua Jayasingh, IOC USA Treasurer. We are here with our heartfelt condolences, and we heard the stories and we watched the videos. Our heart felt. We are so sad to see, because of the religion, these innocent people lives were taken. So as an IOC USA, we gathered here in the Times Square, and we are standing along with all the victims, our father, our brother, our sisters, our mothers, whoever died on that brutal killings, we are standing with them. We have the same pain. The pain goes along with everybody. We are from the same root, only one root, only one mother. We might be having a policy differences. We might have a political differences. We might differ from religion, the place of worship, whom we worship. But regardless, we are from one tree. Our blood is one blood. So we stand together. At this day, we stand to our families who lost, and we know this pain. We are with you as our party.
Hello everyone, I'm Kaushiki. I'm a researcher from India. We're all gathered here today to condemn the horrific, brutal killings of Indian citizens in Pahalgam recently on 22nd of April. It's condemnable to kill any person, whatever their religion, whatever their faith, their gender, their age, their ethnicity, as an act of inciting fear in their minds. It's a horrible, terrorizing incident, and it should be condemned in the strongest possible words. And I hope that the Indian government brings all our citizens together and unite us and not divide us in the name of this horrific, horrific action. Thank you.
My name is Leela Marriott. I am from New York. I am the Women's Forum chairperson of Indian Overseas Congress USA. I strongly condemned the terrorist attack of our India's border, our motherland in Kashmir, and 28 people, innocent people were killed. We cannot tolerate it. We will fight this with our toes and hands.
My name is Harbachan Singh, and I am the Secretary General of the Indian Overseas Congress, USA. Only 3 days before the fatal accident, the fatal killing at Kashmir, a very top official of the Pakistan Army Defense had declared that indifference and he had made remarks derogatory of the Indian people, particularly of the Hindus. And how can one say that the incident in Kashmir was not related to the intention of the government when such a statement is so closely related? At least 26 Hindus were killed, and out of which 2 were non-Hindus. The Indian Overseas Congress demands that that appropriate action should be taken by the government of India to give a proper reply, a fitting reply to the very dastard, very ferocious act that they had killed so many innocent people in Kashmir. We also request the government of India to make sure that the Kashmiri, the people, the victims, the families of the victims are properly consoled and treated and given love and solace for their families to comfort them. At the same time, we stand firmly with the people of Kashmir and all the peace-loving people of the world.
My name is Pradeep Samala. I'm the working president of Indian Overseas Congress. We are here with the Indian Overseas Congress team, supporters, and Indian diaspora. We gathered here in Times Square today to condemn the attacks made in Kashmir on innocent Indians, innocent visitors. So basically, Pakistan want to disturb the peace established in Kashmir by these attacks. So we all are here to support and stand with the victims and their families and our country. No one can disturb the harmony between the peaceful citizens of India, Christians, Hindus, Muslims. We're all one. We all condemn any attacks, any terrorist attacks on any religion or any citizen. So we support India, we are stand with India, and we pray for the victims. Thank you.
It would rebound to Turkey's credit if it made peace with Christian nation.
Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar.
It is a matter of
As a president of Indian Overseas Congress USA, our entire team from different city of USA today here in Times Square, or we are here because of what happened in Jammu Kashmir, Pahalgam. We इसका पूरे जोरदार शब्दों में विरोधता करते हैं जो हुआ हमारे देश में. हम हमारे देश के साथ खड़े हैं. जो जिन लोगों ने ये किया है उनको सख्त से सख्त सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए. जैसे मेरा एक भाई कल बोल रहा था टीवी में कि उनको लाल चौक में जिन लोगों ने किया उनको ढूंढ के लाल चौक में फांसी देनी चाहिए. लाल चौक में फांसी देनी चाहिए और दोबारा किसी की हिम्मत ना पड़े हमारे देश के बेकसूर लोगों को हत्या करने की. जो हुआ है हम भारत सरकार के साथ हैं और भारत सरकार को अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया को अपील करते हैं कि जिन लोगों ने किया है उनको ढूंढ के उनकी शिनाख्त करके उनको सख्त से सजा दी जाए. इंडियन ओवरसीज कांग्रेस USA, all over the USA, we are totally staying with our country, with India. We love our country. We are with India. So no one can divide us. So we all love our country and love our people. We are one. India is always first. So I'm really appreciate to my entire IOC USA team who came today, Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon. So more people is coming, and we have to wait for them. Pradeep, we have to wait for them. Then we close. Thank you so much for all my media friends. Thank you so much.
Everyone, we are all terrified by the attack on innocent people in Kashmir, and we demand, as a IOC team, they should conduct the thorough investigation for the matter, who did it, and all those terrorists will be punished.
Good afternoon.
Thank you very much.
We are gathered here to condemn the terrorist attack in Kashmir. We are here, one tree from one root. Whether you are Christian, Muslim or Hindu, we are all together. However, with the terrorism doesn't have any religion. The people who are doing are a cult. that cult should be followed and destroyed and eradicated from the earth. It is not an Indian issue, it's a global issue. Global citizens together come together and we unite together. Let this darkness pass away. We united, we shine the light and come and condemn all the people. Now, with the resilience, we'll go back and we'll go forward. I thank you for all the IOC members and the leaders here. We are welcome everybody and thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Today, our National Indian Overseas Congress team has organized this special protest at the beautiful Times Square of the New York City, and the representatives of many chapters and members of Indian Overseas Congress of USA are here to protest the barbaric terrorism most suspected Pakistani terrorist group at the beautiful Kashmir, which is the paradise of the world, second paradise of the world, and many visitors, tourists who were present to enjoy the beautiful Kashmir and Pahalgam were gunned down by these heartless terrorists. We are here to condemn this terrorism by anyone, but especially terrorist group of Pakistan or any other terrorism in Kashmir or anywhere in India. We like-minded members of the Indian Overseas Congress are here to make sure anywhere terrorism is rejected wholeheartedly. I want to thank our President and acting working President and many chapters President who are present here to join and do a significant protest to beautiful Times Square area in New York City. I appreciate Indian Overseas Congress for organizing such a strong protest in the city of New York. Jai Hind, and we thank all the members of New Jersey chapter. Thank you. My name is Pradeep Peter Kothari.
Ladies and gentlemen, we stand here together today to express our sincere condolences to the families of the victims first. Then we condemn the terrorist act. We condemn Pakistani government. Pakistani government officials, please correct yourself. This is not right. Hand over all the terrorists to India and change your course of path. Do not support border terrorism. If you support terrorism, your existence will be in question. The whole world stand with us. Correct your course of action and start loving peace. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kathirvel Kumar Raja. I am the president of New York Tamil Sangam. We are here at the Times Square, New York, to show our support and solidarity with the Indian people who lost their lives to the brutal terrorist attack from Pakistan-based terrorism. So we squarely stand behind the Indian government as well as the Indian people. Our prayers and support will always be there. Thank you.
My name is Ram Gadula. I am representing Indian Overseas Congress USA Telangana Chapter Chairman. We are gathered here today with about 80 people behind me. We are gathered here to show our solidarity with the people that have been heinously killed by the terrorists in India, in Pahalgam, Kashmir. We are very sympathetic towards those families, and at this time all of India is united together, and we are showing our unity nation comes first, religion comes later. Everybody is united, Hindus, Muslims, and are all fighting towards the terrorists. And we believe in anti-terrorism. We stay united, and we believe in Bharatita in Aikyata. And we want the unity of India to be, long live India's unity. And, we request the government not to be just reactive and take action against those terrorists, but also be proactive to prevent such incidents from happening in the future. And I appreciate all the opposition parties coming together and supporting the Indian government. Thank you.
I am a tourist. Actually, I am tourist. I saw this this is going on, but very injustice for Hindus. So this should be stopped. We are.
हाँ जी, जो कुछ भी कश्मीर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹ ਇਨਸਾਨੀਅਤ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੁੱਖ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ। ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਬੜੀ ਸ਼ਰਮਨਾਕ ਕੀਤਾ। ਇਹ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੁੱਤ ਬੱਚੇ ਬੱਚੀਆਂ ਘੁੰਮਣ ਫਿਰਨ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਤੋੜਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਵਾਰਦਾਤ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜਾ ਦੁੱਖ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਗਟਾਵਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਫਤਿਹ।
मेरा नाम गोपाल कृष्ण है और अभी मैं अमेरिका के न्यूयॉर्क में टाइम्स स्क्वायर में खड़ा हूँ। और जो भी घटना हुई पहलगाम की ये बहुत निंदनीय है और बहुत तकलीफ़ देता है कि हमारे निर्दोष जनता भारतीय जो शहीद हुए इस तरह की कायराना हमले में हम उनकी निंदा करते हैं टाइम्स स्क्वायर से खड़े होकर। और हम भारत सरकार और दुनिया के तमाम सरकार से निवेदन करते हैं कि जो भी अपराधी हैं उन पर बहुत सख्त कार्रवाई किया जाए और आतंकवाद को जड़ से ख़त्म करने के लिए इस पर काम करने की ज़रूरत है। क्योंकि जब तक हम आतंकवाद को जड़ से ख़त्म नहीं करेंगे इस तरह की घटनाएं सिर्फ कश्मीर में ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया में कहीं ना कहीं घटती रहती है। इसलिए मेरा निवेदन है कि पहले हम एक नागरिक हैं, पहले हम एक इंसान हैं। इसके नाते एक निवेदन है कि पूरे भारत सरकार और पूरी दुनिया की अमेरिका सरकार सभी लोग मिलकर जड़ से खात्मा कर दें टेररिस्ट का। मैं यही चाहता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय अमेरिका।
Hello everyone, my name is Imran Pasha. I am the president of Indian Overseas Congress New York chapter. The tragic incident that has happened in Pahalgam, Kashmir is deeply heartbreaking. My heart goes out and my thoughts are with the victims, their families and all the people in India. It is really shameful that innocent lives are being lost because they belong to a particular religion. We have seen recently, be it Hindu or Muslim, people are being lynched. They're asked about their religion, and recently in Pahalgam, they have asked if the person belongs to Hindu community. If not, if the person is a Hindu, they just kill them mercilessly. It is really bad. We strongly condemn. IOC USA national leadership, along with all the chapters, New Jersey, New York, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Haryana. All the people are here to show solidarity with the victims and the families, to stand in solidarity and show support during this difficult time. As a Muslim, I strongly condemn this because Islam teaches us that if one innocent life is taken, it is like you're killing the entire humanity. This is really bad, and government should take decisive action to stop these terrorist attacks happening in India. I also request the media to stop spreading hatred, creating animosity between Hindus and Muslims. They need to, if anything, they need to support the government. The tragic incident highlights the failure on the part of the security and the intelligence departments. People in charge need to take full responsibility and take decisive actions to prevent such incidents happening in the future. Thank you so much.